Good day everyone, Olaide Alim here. I want to talk about the trade setting that we can use on our RoyalQ account. Before I dive into the trade setting, right now I would like to teach us something which we need to do on our RoyalQ if you are yet to do it yet. The first thing you are going to do, if you log on to your RoyalQ, click on Home, you will see Mine. Just click on Mine. Also click on Mine, you will see Professional Edition at the top. Make sure that it is tick. It is tick. If you didn't tick your own here, you need to make sure that you turn it on. Once you turn it on, you are going to answer a few questions, like and you need to make sure that you select the right answer. The question is very, very easy, because even if you made mistake and you select the answer, the system will correct you. You are going to take the blue one. So make sure that you turn on your Professional Edition. The essence is to make sure that you see all the coins available on RoyalQ to trade. If you didn't turn it on, there is no way you can see all the coin that is available on RoyalQ to trade. So it is very, very important to turn on our Professional Edition. And with that being said, the next thing that we are going to look into is coin selection techniques. How to know the type of coin that you are going to trade on RoyalQ. The first thing that you are going to do is to make sure that you click on quantitative. Once you click on quantitative, you are going to see at the top, you are going to see general, and you are going to see professional. There are some coin listed on general and there are some coin listed on professional. It now depends on where you are trading. As well, as we can see at the top, we have Binance and Huobi. If your money is on Binance, you need to choose Binance, and if your money is on Huobi, you need to switch back to Huobi. Now I'm making use of Binance as an example. Now the first thing that you need to look into, you need to look at the deepest coin. What did I mean by the deepest coin? You need to look at the deepest coin, and once you look at the deepest coin, you need to look at where they write change in percentage. Any coin, change in percentage. The first one that you can see on my screen right now is 1 inch. If you look at the change in percentage, you will see green plus 9. That is 9.5. That one is not deep because it is green. It is going up. Deep will be red. This one is going up. It is not deep. It is going up. So that means this 1 inch is not the coin that we can trade. We need to look further. The second one is 5.4%. We need to look further. All these changes do normally change in 24 hours. The statistic here change in 24 hours or anytime. It can change anytime. We need to think of an eye. Coin can drop and coin can go up. Coin can drop and coin can go up. You need to look at the deepest. And the meaning of spot trading is to buy when the coin is low and to sell when the coin is high. As you can see, our first deepest that we can see here is, you need to look at the change in percentage as well. Change percentage, CHG percentage. Theta is 0.45. Theta is 0.4. 0.4. We need to go further, whether we can see the deepest. We need to go further, whether we can see the deepest. As we can see on general now, the only one that we have here is 0.3. Then you need to change it to professional. You need to change it to professional. From the professional, we need to look at it as well. We need to look at it. As you can see, all what we have been seeing are green. everyone is green. So in the situation whereby we see it like this, that everyone is green, the best coin that you will go for, let's say you are trading one coin, the best coin that you will go for here, based on what we search, will be Theta. It's going to be Theta. So it's going to be this coin, going to be Theta, because we've searched, we didn't see any other one than Theta. Okay, it's going to be Theta based on the formula that we should follow. It's going to be Theta. Now I want to ask us this: on RoyalQ, they have the best coin because we have over 6,000 cryptocurrency, 6,000 crypto, and out of 6,000 crypto, RoyalQ added just 70 of them, which means the coin that RoyalQ added are good. Like 70 for Binance and like 60 on Huobi. It means all the coin that they added here, all the coin are good. They are good, but we all need to know that when we are choosing universities, there are some universities that are good. Okay, as I was saying, RoyalQ, they added the best coin, but the truth is, out of the best coin in hierarchy, we also have the one that is better than the other. In hierarchy, we also have the one that is better than the other. Let's say we have best graduating students. We have like 10. They are all best graduating students. We have the one that is better than the other. Another thing is that we have governors all over the states. We have the one that is better. They are all governors, but we have the one that is better than the other. So I'm going to, at the moment, I'm going to tell us some of the coin that we can look into first before we move on. Some of the coin that we can look into first, that we can search. But if the coin is higher, that the price has increased, you can decide to look for the alternative in here. But if the coin is still okay within the price, within the percentage dip or increase, you can go for it. The best coin that we should look into is Solano, SOL. Now, if you search Solano and you search SOL and you didn't see it, just click on professional and type it again, SOL. As you can see, this is SOL. It is a good coin. It's a good coin, but we can't go for it. We can't go for it because it is on 9.73 increase already. So 9.73 increase already. If it is below 3% from dip to below 3%, if it is minus 10, minus 20 to plus 3% is still okay. Green is plus, red is minus. Plus 3% is okay, less than 3% is okay. Dip is okay. As you can see, it's part of the good coin, but we cannot go for it due to what is currently happening to it. Now, the second one that we need to look into, remember if you didn't see it, you will change to professional or general, BNB. BNB is not on professional. We look for on general, BNB. BNB is there. This is plus 4.55. We can still go for it. We can still go for it. I've explained that one earlier. And we have Cake. Cake. Yes. Cake is 2.75, less than 3%. We can go for it. Because it is a solid coin. You can go for it. It's a solid coin. And we have OMG. OMG as well. This is plus 36. That's increased. You cannot go for it. We have Avas. Avas is not on general. Let's look for on profession now. Ava is there. Ava is plus 5.84. We cannot go for it. It is more than 3%. It is increasing right now. As I'm saying, increasing means within 24 hours it can drop at any time. It can drop at any time. We look for SLP. As you can see, SLP is plus 85. 0.85. We can go for it. And we look for BAKE. BAKE as well, 2.10. 2.16, we can go for it. Then need to look for KSM. KSM is changed 2.37. Can as well go for it. We need to look for AF. It's not on professional. Let's check it on general. AF is plus 6. We cannot go for it. And the last one that I'm going to talk about, Matic. Matic is plus 6. We cannot go for it. You cannot go for it. So we can't go for it. Let me use, that is binary. Let me see Huobi. As I said, it depends on the exchange that you are using to trade. That will determine where you are going to search for your coin. On Huobi, we have ADA 0.91 deep. We have Atom 0.08 deep. We have BSV 1.3 deep. We have 0.38 for Comp, 0.4, 1.62, 1.07, 2.5, 0.69, 2.10, 0.48. HT, we have 4.98. IOST, we have minus 3.42. Like that. And so on like that. So, based on the solid coin that I have here, if I search for Sol, Sol is 0.087. Can trade it. BNB is on general. So BNB is not on Huobi. Cake is not on Huobi as well. There are some coins that will be on Huobi that will not be on Binance. There are some coins that will be on Binance that will not be on Huobi. Example is that BNB now. BNB is a Binance coin. We didn't expect BNB to be on other exchange. It can only be. We don't expect BNB to be on Huobi because it is their coin. It can only be on their websites and can only be on their websites. So let's search for OMG. As you can see, OMG is on Huobi, but 0.16%. So that is how to select. That is how to select the coin before you apply the strategy. So it is very, very important to watch the video before you apply the strategy. So my next video will talk about the strategy that we can use for $100 capital. Thank you so much.